Thank you. So let me show you some probability thing. So I was writing X is a random variable and Px is associated probability. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this is the number. It is 1 over 16. It is 2 over 19. This is 5 over 16. This is missing. And this is equal to 20 over 201. If this is the probability is given, this is the probability is given. If these are the probabilities given, how can we compute the probability corresponding to X equal to 3? You understand? X is a random variable with associated probability for different values of X are given. What does this means? This means X is a random variable with associated probability for different values of X are given. X is a random variable with associated probability for different values of X are given. What is the value of X? What is the probability? What is the probability for X equal to 3? What is the probability for X equal to 3? How can you find that? Okay, let me give you a hint, okay? Let me give you a hint. Take a look at that. HH, HT, TH, TT, right? 2 coin tossing experiment, right? S is the sample point, right? S is the sample point, and S is the sample point, and X equal to number of heads. So X equal to what? 2 head, 1 head, 0 head, right? Understand? So X could be written as 0, 1, 2, and then probability of X could be written as 1 over 4, 1 over 4, 2 over 4, right? Do you agree or not? Do you agree with that? 0 head equal to this one. Only 1 sample point out of 4 sample point. So that means this is the probability distribution for the random variable X, and then X equal to 1, 2 over 4. So this is a 1 head, 1 head. So that is a 2 over 4. X equal to 2, that means 2 head, 1 over 4, right? So now if you sum them up, what? If you sum them up, 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4, what are you getting? 1, right? Total probability equal to? Total probability equal to 1, right? So if total probability equal to 1, how can you find this one then? How can you find this one then? Rest of the thing would be subtracted from 1, right? Understand? So now,
Sorry. Number 4, is that 20 over 1 or
20 over 201. So now, if we want to find probability of X equal to 3, what would be the answer? 1 minus 1 over 16 plus 2 over 19 plus 5 over 16 plus 20 over 201. Okay? 20 over 201. That is the answer. Clear, right? So that is the way you can find the probability.
For the test, do you just want us to leave it there or do you want us to find like the exact? number?
You have to find the exact number
Okay,
in the decimal format.
okay.
Decimal format will make it confirm that
It's
0 and 1.
Okay,
Okay. Say again, your second exam would be on the online. Okay. So that means all materials, 10 questions will be in the online. So you can, I will do exam part by part. Part by part, I will do the exam so that materials will be easy for you to remember. I will not give lot of materials. Okay. So maybe next class I will finish this, then I'll give you the exam. Okay. Okay. After that, now we want to find mathematical expectation. So previously we learned mean is this, right? Mean equal to X bar, right? Right. Mean equal to X bar. Now I want to find, this is the X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, as I mentioned before, which is equal to probability of X equal to 1 over 16, 2 over 19, 5 over 16. This is missing, 20 over 201. What is that value? Can anyone of you compute that value and let me know which one, what is this?
it's 0.42. How many decimals?
Yeah, 0.42, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Now, listen, what I want to find. This is the mean that we learn, right? We already learned how to find this one, right? X bar. And then this is the standard deviation. This is mean X bar, and which you can find sum of xi over n. And this is standard deviation, which you can find 1 over n minus 1 xi minus x bar square, right? Standard deviation. So these two formula are used to find the mean and variance of the data. The data has like 5, 6, 9, 15, 19, 7, 6, 10. These are the data points. And if I ask you find the mean and variance, you find mean and variance by using this formula. Are you okay with that? In the first exam, if I give you the data and ask you find mean and variance, you immediately use these two formula, right? Right? Are you ready to learn something new? Now, if you are given a data in this format, how can you find the mean and variance of X? Are you understanding now? Previously, data was given, just the data was given, and you are asked to find mean and standard deviation, you find like that. Now, data is given in this format, random variable together with its associated probability. How can you find the average of this random variable? How can you find the standard deviation of this random variable? Are you understanding? How can you find that? Okay, that is called the mathematical expectation. That is called the mathematical expectation. I'm going to find these two things, then for today, I'm going to stop. So this is the formula, expected value of X. This is known as the expected value of X. Expected value of X. Okay? So it is written as summation X times P of X equal to X. Okay?
The test, we have to memorize all these equations.
You can write in a cheat sheet.
Okay.
Or it would be open book, open note exam.
So what's the equation, sum of X?
Sum of X times probability of X equal to X. Okay? So X will take value. X will take value 0 to 4. Okay? So now if you plug X equal to 0 and then 1 over 16 plus X equal to 1 times 2 over 19 plus X equal to 2 times 5 over 16 plus 3 times 0.42. Okay? Then plus 4 times 20 over 201. That's the way you have to find the expected value. This is called expected value of X or mean. Where X is a random variable, its probability as well as corresponding values of the random variable are given. And values for the random variable and its associated probabilities are given. You can find the expected value in this format. Right. So can any one of you tell me what is this value? Two over 19 plus 10 over 16 plus 3 times 0.42 plus 4 times 20 over 201.
On 2.39.
Training. This is the expected value. On the other hand, if someone find mean for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Are you looking at the board? For this data, if someone find the mean of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then that will be wrong. Someone said that 4 plus 3 equal to 7, 9, 10, 10 over 5 equal to 2, then this mean is wrong. Two ways to find mean and variance. One is data is given, another one is random variable is given. When random variable is given, its associate probability is also given. In that case, this is the formula to find mean. Are you understanding? The girl in the back. Are you understanding? Good. So now how can we find variance? So variance of X equal to expected value of X square and expected value of X whole square. This is we already found from previous one. Okay. So now let us find this one. This one could be found at x square, p of x equal to x. Expected value of x equal to 2.39 whole square. Okay. Now find it in here. So 0 square times 1/16. 1 square times 2/19. 2/19. 2 square times 5/16 plus 3 square over 0.42 plus 4 square over 20/201. 20/201. Could you tell me what is this value? Minus 2.39 square. That will be the variance.
Mm.
6.73. Yes.
Why do you have to 29 square?
Which one?
After expected square probability x equal to x, you have to 29 square.
Why did I get this?
No, was that, is that the minus
This is-
29 square?
This is the ugly minus.
Oh, okay.
Ugly minus, this is the formula, okay? This is the formula. Wherever you will go, if you do not like to live on this planet because the people are very bad, if you want to live in the Mars, you have to take this formula from this planet. Okay? You cannot fight with this formula. That's the reason I said you have to take this formula. So what you have learned, this is the formula for the mean, xi minus x bar over n. This is the formula for the variance. Okay, when data is given, when, let me write, when only data points are given. Okay, this is the formula for the mean. And this is the formula for the variance. Which is equal to when random variable is given. Random variable is given, or data is given in the format of a random variable. That means values of the random variable and probabilities are given. Okay, so you understand the difference between how to find mean and standard deviations only when data points are given, when random variable is given. Random variable means variables value together with the associated probability must be given. So if your younger brother, sister or friend ask you the question, what is the difference between mean and expected value? You will say that expected value is obtained for random variable. What is random variable? Random variable provides value of the of a variable together with the associated probabilities. Don't mess up with the difference. Don't mess up the difference between variable and random variable. Variable, you do not know what is the associated probability. Okay, but random variable, it has a certain probability of being happening. That is why I gave you a two extreme example. One is Moses crossing the river Nile, so that you will never forget. Certain kind of probability, okay? So that you will never forget this thing. What is random variable? Random variable means certain kinds of probabilities in there. So next class, I will do contingency table problem and some other problems. And after that, maybe we will go for the second exam. And third exam, I will take maybe just the assignment type things. Third exam will be on the probability distributions, binomial distributions, negative binomial distributions, geometric distributions, normal distributions, and then final exam will be on test of hypothesis, correlation, regression, as well as optimizations. Okay. So I will see you next week. Prepare for the coding exam. All the problems that I gave in the two documents, one document contains 30 problems, another documents contain 84 problems, right? Try to understand all of those. From there, I will give you maybe 30 problems, 25 problems to write the code. Become a master. And if you want, you can have a group office hours with me. In that way, I can call you by your name. Coding exam. Next week. Next week. Have preparation.
How many questions are there?
For you, I will give you 10 more.
Okay.
30 questions, 25 to 30 questions.
Okay.
Will
Okay.
we have to know it, like, we can't have a study?
Open book, open note.
Okay,
All questions are coming from those 84 plus 30. It will be 114 questions.
okay.
So be a master of this 140 questions. You will get questions similar to that, almost similar to that. Data will be different, variable will be different. Yeah.
I say open book, I mean open Python as well.
Open Python, all the codes you can open in your either printed format, soft format, all of this. I want you, all of you become a super expert in Python. Okay,
Thank you, have a good day.
together with you, I want to be famous.
Have a good day.
Email.
Yeah, first exam, right? I will check.